Savory brown rice is a super delicious, popular side dish from my first book, The Complete Book of Gluten-Free Cooking. Add your butter to a Dutch oven or stock pot, allow it to melt, then add your rice, and beef broth. Cover and cook over low heat 20 to 30 minutes. Your rice should simmer as it cooks, like this. Once cooked, add your remaining ingredients. If you're using Coconut Aminos, which has very little sodium, you'll probably need to add some salt. If you're using a gluten-free soy sauce, you may not need to add any salt. Taste and adjust your seasonings. Then I like to allow it to sit 10 to 15 minutes covered before serving. I hope you enjoy this rice time and again, and please subscribe for more easy, tasty, gluten-free recipes like this one.